Alvey's Yabbie Pump in review. Stay tuned. G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Alvey Yabbie Pump, and we're going to do a little bit of a review on it, have a look at the working parts of it. It's a pump that's been around for a long time, and it's stood the test of time because it's bulletproof. So let's check out the Yabbie Pump. Okay guys, as part of the review, I'd like to show you the inner workings of the Yabbie Pump. Now firstly, the Yabbie Pump comes with a couple of soft handles up here. Years ago they used to come with a stainless steel handle, but they've replaced that now with a nice cushion handle, and same here, which makes it a lot easier and nicer to pump for long periods of time. Running down the centre of the Yabbie Pump is a brass shaft. Now these are replaceable if you do wear them out. You've got a rubber bumper up the top here, just under the handle. That's solely for when the pump comes down. Just adds that cushioning effect. And like I said, you can replace shafts if they do wear out, being brass and soft. Okay, let's have a look at the other end. The other end, we've got a wing nut in there. And so we'll just undo him. You'll find under that wing nut there's a couple of washers. So I'll just put him down there. Tip the pump up. You just give it a bang a couple of times and you'll find the washers come out. There they are. Okay, and the last thing in there is a spacer. I don't know whether you can see it, it's just on the end of the shaft there. You should be able to just pull that out. Alright, and then that shaft will come straight out. There we have it. So you've got your stainless steel tube, which the pump's made from. Brass main shaft, solid brass shaft, and your cushion handles up here. And you've got a pressure plate and a couple of soft washers. Now what happens is you have one pressure plate that side and another pressure plate that side, and when you wind the wing nut down, that applies pressure between the two and expands the rubber washers and gives you the suction. That's how they work. So let me just put it back together and I'll show you what I mean. So first things first, shaft goes in there, nice and easy. Next thing is our rubber spacer, he goes on. Right, and then we have these plates. Now, the shaft comes with a little flat section on it, so sometimes these are a bit tricky to get on, because you've got to line up, it's like a locating spot. There he is, down he goes. All right, he's right. Now the next thing is our three soft rubber washers, they go in. And then our last plate goes on. Just spin him round till you pick it up. There he is. I put the stainless washer on first, and then a little brass washer, and again that's got a flat on it that only goes on one way. You just got to rotate it around till you find that flat. That's it. And then our brass wing nut. Now the wing nut is wound down, and like I said, we'll apply pressure between the two stainless steel plates and expand that soft washers inside, and that'll give you the suction like so that you need when you're out on the sandflats pumping nippers. Well, there you have it guys, the Alvey Yabbie Pump. I'm going to give it 5 gold stars for durability, affordability, and it's just a great Aussie product made from fantastic materials and will last your lifetime. Now guys, if you want your product reviewed on The Hook and the Cook, please contact us at info@thehookandthecook.com.au. Now guys, tune in next week to The Hook and the Cook for another fantastic clip. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the link above. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And we'll see you guys on The Hook and the Cook next week. Cheers.